LENOR GAS is our new product certification and testing lab services for the gas industry. We certify household gas appliances, installation accessories, distribution pipes, and equipments for NGV. We also audit companies throughout the industry, from cylinder revision centers to cooking equipment suppliers, as well as service stations and CNG transportation. At LENOR GAS Labs, we offer testing services under national and regional standards on household appliances, such as kitchens, heaters, and safety devices, and also for the NGV industry. With this new service, we can provide our experience and technical capacity to companies in the gas industry in all of Argentina and in our subsidiaries in Chile, Brazil, Bolivia, Ecuador, Peru, and Colombia as well. Get to know all our services by visiting lenorgroup.com or reach us via email at lenorgas@lenorgroup.com.